See, the swells are coming in. Wow, look at that. What, you see one? You'll see, like, if you're looking for flying fish, did you ever see one? It'll look like the wave is bursting. Like little specks are coming out of the wave. Like a firecracker. To me, they're like shooting stars, you know? No, probably gonna see another one. I think we just got lucky. There, right there, right there. See him? Right there. You can see him? Oh, how could you miss them? There's 3 of them. They're white. I don't know if I got them on camera or not. You didn't see him, they went right across here.
Okay, though. I'm tired. I'm also on the ball. I should lay down.
Give one more second here.
It's colder now.
Feels really good.
Yeah.
It's hot. It's great. Like it's on the sun side, it's hot. There's something out there. Can you see it? A brown looking thing. I might have got them on film, I don't know. There was 3 of them, but they're so small, I don't know if the camera actually... oh, there was one right there. See it? Right there. Right there. I don't know if I got him or not. But they're so small, I don't know if the camera got him. You got that one. He flew a long way. He's like, get me out of here. He's a big one. That was cool. Got to see one. Roll it down now. And we'll wait for the next one.